Alright, so you wanted to know about changing line weights. So if we take a look at turn the line weights on, if you wanted to make the wall assemblies thicker, you're going to go to the Manage tab and Object Styles and scroll down to your walls, and it's set to 5. So just make it higher. So like if you do an 8 or a 7 and apply, you'll see those guys just get thicker as they go down, as they get larger. So if I come in and change this back to 5 and hit apply, that's what you get. You can also, if you expand out, you have additional like common edge control and things like that. So those are those in there. So you could come in and make those lighter, right? The lightest cut line you can get is a 1, right? It'll make them a little thinner. If you want to know what's going on with the line weights, go to additional settings and line weights, and it's changing the size of the line weight based on the scale. So it gets thicker, as you get a larger detail, and thinner as your plans get smaller. So that's what the 1, 2, 3, 4 is. Alright, so I'll go back to thin line here. Next question was wrapping. So I'm going to pick that wall, which is just just had drywall on each side, right, with a metal stud in the middle. I'm going to duplicate it and just rename it for a wrapping end. So wrap, and you'll see here wrapping it inserts, so when something cuts through it, does it wrap, or wrapping it ends. So if I do wrapping it ends exterior and click OK, you'll see, boom, both of those guys wrap, so you get an end. If you have a more complex wall, I edit type here, duplicate, and do WR, click OK, and I go ahead and wrap it ends exterior, click OK, right? It does that. And then let's see what it does if we do interior. Whoops. Interior. Click OK, right? And it wraps from the interior. So those are the two different ways you can do that. As far as the window, so let me see. Let's go ahead and put this guy in here. I do have a window that's kind of close to what you need. Let me delete these guys out of here. It's a little flexible, but it'll probably work for right now. We can probably do something a little different, but basically what this is it's a window with an adjustable jamb, right? So you can see it flushes up in the inside, but the outside's going to let me adjust it. So if I pick this guy and I go to edit type, you're going to see the frame center is at 5 inches, so that's that frame. And then the jamb depth is at 1 foot. So if I do the jamb depth at like 3 feet and apply, it's going to shoot that thing out, right? You can also I have the jamb width is set to 2 inches. You can set it to like 1 inch, right, and apply. It'll get a little thinner. But anyway, that guy comes out to there, right? And so once you get that out to there, then you can move the window out too if you want to. So if I go to edit type, grab this guy, go to edit type, the frame center, let's put it at 2'6", right? And apply, right? That's almost, so maybe 3 foot. Let's just go to 3 foot and equal it out, right? And then the frame depth is at 2 feet, so I'll just do that at like 1 inch. And maybe 1 inch. Apply. Right, so that kind of gets you close to where you want to be. I know it's not perfect, but it's close. And you can put some material on there right now, but you'll be able to sort of adjust that. We can put some trim on the inside of this if you want to. But start off with this and tell me if it's close to what you want, and then we can adjust it. I'll send you a link to how I made this window, and I'll also send you the window. Okay. And the window's in 2020 Revit, so I hope you're using that. But anyway, all right, that's it.